you are having a wonderful day. So I will welcome you to another video. Today we will discuss we have to upload more books to make more money or not. So first of all, as always, I start my video with my gold chart. And if you are someone who is having difficulty while drawing supporter resistance, you can copy mine here. You can copy mine. Supporter resistance is accurate, and I am trading gold from last 1.5 and I have a very high accuracy. I have accuracy of somewhere around 90 to 95%. I rarely goes wrong. So if you are someone who wants to follow me and want my signals, say first of all, I don't provide any signals, but if you want, we can sort out something. So do let me know if you want any help regarding trading or any KDP business help. Do let me know in the comments. I will make a video on this if you have any issue with trading. So let's get back to the topic. So our topic is upload more. We have to upload more books to make more money, or we can make more money by uploading less books. So if you are someone who is quite new, so first of all, upload more books to make more money. Which books I am talking about? So first of all, I will clarify something. If you are someone who is quite new to this business and don't know how this business model works, how we put a title, subtitle, backend keyword, how we choose category, how we put pricing, how we upload manuscript, book covers, hardcover, ebook, whatever it is. So try to upload more of a notebook or a line journal kind of thing, so you will learn the process. So if you are someone who is new, if you upload one book, you will most probably forget the process. If you upload 10 to 20 books, just upload notebooks. There is no limit of uploading, so you can upload as much as you can, but don't over limit it. I will recommend you, if you are someone who is new, keep uploading 10 notebooks a day for a week. So you will learn the process, how things work, how you can choose category keywords, backend keywords, title, subtitle, pricing, manuscript, cover, uploading, and you will know how Amazon will present your book. You just go and search for your book on Amazon with your ASIN or with your title, subtitle, keywords. See if they are coming or not. So if you are someone who is new, keep uploading books not for money, just to make yourself habitual. What is going through when you will upload book. So another type of people who has some experience and know how KDP works, what is the title, subtitle, keyword and everything. So I will recommend you to upload less books. So why I'm saying this? For let's example, if you have 100 books uploaded, I have also 1000 books uploaded, and I'm saying upload less book. So why I'm saying most from 1000 books, I am running ads on only 30 to 40 books, and almost I'm running ads on almost 100 to 150 books, but from 30 to 40 books I am running manual ads, and except 30 books I have running only automatic targeting ads. So if you are someone who uploaded 100 books and wants to run ads on all of them, so it is very difficult for you to monitor them on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, because you have you have a very big portfolio of books. So and you will get a lot of clicks, so you will spend a lot of money if you are having a lot of books. So what I will suggest you, if you have only 10 books, it is good for you. You can run ads, you can monitor them on a daily basis. You can change their keyword, manipulate their keyword, whatever it's performing or not, adjusting bid, whatever you want, you can do if you have less books. If you are someone who is only one book, I will recommend you, it is very, very, very good. If you only have 1 or 2 books in your bookshelf, just run ads on them. I don't know why people are not running ads on Amazon. It is a great way to rank your book very high, and you will make a lot of money if you are running ads on the right way. So keep running ads, upload less book, more focus on ads. Don't focus on uploading more books. If you are someone who is experienced now, I will recommend you to focus on targeting ad and monitoring your ad and making changes according to the performance of your ad set. This is what I would recommend you, because I am doing KDP from last almost 2 years, and I know what is the importance of running ads on your book. It's very important. If you don't run ads on your book is gonna die. No one will gonna buy your book. So keep running ads. I will make a separate video on how Amazon ads affect your book sales. If you want, do let me know in the comments. I will make a detailed video how, if you run ads, how things work, and how you will make more and more sales and eventually more and more money if you run ads on your book. So please consider it. Upload less books, quality books. Do your research, make your cover nice, make your interior nice. Don't put irrelevant keyword, don't put any irrelevant category. Price your book according to the market, so you will make more money. So keep this in mind. We are in this business to stay longer. Don't cut corners. Don't try to just put any copyrighted keyword, so it will gonna suspend your account very soon. So please keep these things in your mind. You are in this business for a long run. You will make money not for one or 2 months. You will gonna make money for decades. It is a long-term business. So I just saw a video where there is a publisher who bought a helicopter from KDP money. It is unbelievable. Yet there are some who makes a lot of money. So things long term. This is a great business opportunity. So don't cut corners, upload less, keep focusing on ad and rank your book high. One book will make you a lot more money than your 100 books doesn't make. So thanks for watching. If you're someone who is new, please subscribe to my channel. I have a very low subscriber count. I will try to upload 2 videos every day, and I'm continuing doing this. So please subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. This is the end of the video. Over and out.